Control number 43095, please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir and madam. My name is Her Salima Biujong. I'm 45 years old. I'm a single. I have one son. He's 20 years old for now. I have 3 siblings, 2 brothers and 1 sister. I am the 4th of the 3 siblings. I'm high school graduate.
From what school?
Novaliches High School.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
For my family and my son's future.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
Yes, ma'am. In Hong Kong.
For how long?
6 years.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person?
Yes, ma'am. I have an experience taking care of elderly. I taking care of Yeye and Popo. Yeye is not healthy. I feed him. I take a medicine for him. I change a diaper. And I go to the hospital when he have a see the doctor.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
No, ma'am, but I'm willing to learn.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do?
My special skills is cooking and sewing.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
Chinese food like ABC soup, stew, fried vegetable, Filipino food like adobo and menudo, then Western food, Italian like carbonara and spaghetti.
Describe yourself as an housemaid.
I'm hardworking, trustworthy, and fast learner.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
I apologize and say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
They treat me as a family.
Message for future employer in Hong Kong.
To my future employer in Hong Kong, when you hired me, I assure you that I finish my contract and I will do my best. Thank you.